Well, folks, what you're looking at here is an energy creating machine. What this does here, we're going to convert charcoal and to engine grade fuel. So on demand. So this unit on the back of the four-wheeler is actually going to power that generator that's on the ground, 9,000 watt generator, and then you could take that 9,000 watt generator and on a cloudy day, you could charge the battery banks. So if you got trees, you got energy. And we're going to do just kind of an example and show you how it runs. At first, what we're going to do is we're going to prime this apparatus with some little chunks of charcoal there. We're just going to put them right into this tube here, and Bill's going to put the torch to her and get that ignited, and then we'll just feed some fresh air into there. And once that gets fired up, we'll take the camera down there and I can show you. This is interesting. So Bill's pumping air, that's just an air gun, into that tank. And that's going to come through this hose. And what we're going to watch for is we're going to see basically like a vapor coming out of that hose. And then at some point, Bill knows, when the right time is, he will light the end of that tube with the torch. Okay, well, need some more.
It's just a mattress and
Oh, gotcha. Yep. And as you can see you can see that mist just barreling out. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to hook that pipe up to the generator. And what that's producing is about 23 to 25% carbon monoxide, hydrogen, and a little methane. So I'm just all right. Good. Smell it. Here you go, folks. You got a 9,000 watt generator now running on charcoal. And again, that's the how he built my buddy Bill. He's a genius. The guy used an ammo can, a well pump, and a bunch of spare parts. Now he's got himself a mobile machine that could. Oh, I did not tell you. That four-wheeler that we're looking at, that also runs on charcoal. So he's got a four-wheeler there that he could drive on charcoal and then hook it up, run a generator, which, like I said, on a day that it's not sunny, this charcoal could take the place of those solar panels. So, I mean, this is some amazing stuff. And, think about third world countries and stuff like that, folks. And you're living off the grid. If you can come up with something like this, like my buddy Bill, you're about 10 steps ahead of the game, man. So I hope you enjoy this. And please, if you have any comments, leave those below. And I'd be happy to, I don't know the answer, but I will consult with my buddy Bill here. And what Bill could do is he could certainly answer any questions that you may have. But absolutely amazing. Now what he's going to do here, just to show that this is running, is he just plug in a couple of spotlights. And as you can see, now we got the complete package. We got the machine feeding the generator, which is feeding the lights. Is that not amazing? And he's gonna see, as you can see, as soon as he removed that hose, it quit. We'll do it one more time. There it goes. Proof that it's running on charcoal. Bill's an amazing guy. Oh. It's the look down in there. You can see. And by these dripping water, which creates hydrogen. Amazing stuff.